It's our last day here in Universal Studios Hotel. Time for breakfast! Outside! Okay. Wow, yes! We can see Mario from here! Wow! I'm curious kung ano yung mga pagkain for buffet breakfast. Yung first day kasi, late na akong pumunta dito. But right now, I think I'm ready. Nagja-jump pa rin sa sawa ko. Here is the pancake station. Use the thong. There. Very good. Good job, Ma'am.
That's it.
Okay.
Let's go.
Cheese omelet.
Cheese omelette.
It's yummy.
Omelette. Just making it a minion omelette.
You see the omelet?
Banana, banana,
Banana.
banana, banana. Thank you. I want to try the Japanese breakfast. Hinahanap kita. Ano yan? Ah, that's a Japanese breakfast. Rice dispenser. Pipindot ka lang kung ilan yung gusto mo. Tapos, pindot. And then, dyan na lang labas. Healthy miso. Ito yung lugaw. Rice ball. With chazuki. Ah, lalagyan ng mainit. Pahabol. Mga drinks naman. Yes, mama. My two boys.
Hi.
Di pala kami nangakuha ng kape. Matcha! This will be our breakfast for today. Let's eat!
It's o'clock time. We were having a buffet breakfast.
Nauna na akong umakyat. Nandun pa yung dalawa kasi kumakain pa si Maverick. Mag-i-impake na ako. Bye-bye room! Impake time. I'm excited for Kyoto. Kasi etong Universal, first 3 days for Maverick. Yung Kyoto naman is for mommy. Makikita ko doon yung mga magagandang tourist spots ng Japan. Kung saan nagsushoot yung mga telenovela, yung mga ganon. So, it's more on the scenery. Tapos, babalik kami dito ng Osaka. It's for daddy naman. Yung last 3 days, food trip naman yun. Pero, parang feeling ko, mula nung dumating dito, food trip na. Wow! That's your favorite, right?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Bye, Universal! Thank you for the memories. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Feeling ko, marami na namang train rides today. Itong bag na to, akala niyo maliit lang. Pero ang dami po nalalagay sa iyo. Ready? Then we go! Wala masyadong tao. Tatlong maleta, dala namin. Waiting for the next train. Going to
Osaka Station.
Give him my head. So my head.
2 stations before Osaka Station. Nagkamali kami ng train na sinakyan. Balik kami sa Bentenjo. Life all life! I hope we're right. Kasi namin maintindihan. Siyempre yung mga Japanese characters. Pero at least magkakasama tayo, no? Ganun pag travel kayo using public transportation. It is stressful, pero it is exciting also, and you're learning. Ay, sana tama. We're now here in Osaka Station. Hinahanap namin platform 8 para kaming nasa Amazing Race, diba? See it, I see it. 7-8. Woo! In Osaka to Kyoto! Yeah! Gutom na naman yung alaga namin. Sana ito na. I think tama kami. So, 3 stops bago makarating sa Kyoto Station. Kanina, pumasok na kami sa ibang train. Tapos nakita namin parang walang signage na Kyoto. So, lumabas ulit kami. Pangalawang
新快速電車まもなく発車ご注意ください。
We are now in Kyoto! Nakarating din tayo.
以上ご迷惑を
Let's go, ma'am!
It's telling us to go straight.
Ano tawag dyan?
Live navigation.
Okay. Hinahanap namin yung Airbnb. 7-minute walk from Shinkansen Station. Maraming hotel dito. Ha? Ang ganda nga. I think this is the street. Ang linis. Yes, this will be our home for the next 2 days here in Kyoto. This is a bed. What's in there, ma'am?
A bathtub.
Wow, your favorite.
That's my favorite.
Parang ang laki naman na to. Ano yan? Oh! Japanese style. You wanna sleep here?
Wow.
Ayusin ko yung room kasi gusto matulog ng dalawang boys ko dito. Meron naman silang mga extra pillows, bed. So, yeah. Get the pillows. No, not that one. Downstairs. They're in the bedroom. We'll be staying here for 2 nights. Look, guys. Nice. Wow, ang ganda ng bahay. Papunta kami ng Arashiyama. Ang daming turista. Yan, naamoy ko eh. Kamote. Papasok na kami. Nauhaw si ma'am. Sobrang solemn dito. Parang feeling ko ang sarap mag-recharge dito.
Thank you, nature, for giving me the stick.
Hmm.
Where did the stick come from, Papa Jesus? I remember it came from a grass.
Ang ganda dun sa loob ng
How did
forest.
in my hand, Dad?
Ang sarap mag-meditate dun. Umaga. Ang ganda ng restaurant.
46 nakasulat.
Sasakay kami ng bus. Oo. Hintayin natin. 46.
Hi, Mommy.
Downtown. La 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 la. Ang saya. Next stop, Gion. We're inside Gion. Chan 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 chan. Gion ni. Ano chan chan chan. Hindi niya daw ma-resist. Kailangan niyang lumikim ng grilled labong. Knock knock. Labong.
Labong, labong.
Shell.
Wow, ang ganda pala niya sa gabi.
Oo nga eh. Gion is an old Japanese town. Dito yung may mga geisha, honey. Yeah, okay. May pinuntahan kaming
Saan tumingin dito?
street. No, okay.
Tingnan mo ang station.
Hindi allowed yung camera. Napakaganda. Yeah. Stationery shop na
Special
lang.
sa kanila stationery.
Yeah.
Like it's an art.
Yeah. So yun, hindi allowed yung camera. Pero sobrang preserved yung bahay. Feeling namin, may mga tao yung iba kasi may ilaw. Feels like we're traveling back in time. Grabe, ang ganda. Bibili kami ng ticket for the light show.
Another door? What's happening?
How are you doing there, ma'am? I love you, ma'am. Nahalata ko lang yung bus driver nila dito. Parang pilot. Naka-uniform. Very formal. Papunta na kami sa Airbnb. Si Maverick nag-request ng pagkain. Uwi na lang. Nandito pa na kami sa 7-Eleven. Ah, my favorite. Nuts. Wow. Yung nuts nila dito. May nakalagay kung ilang calories. Ito 296. Ito 118. Ang galing. I'll try this truffle flavored nut. OMG, lahat pala ng chichirya. May naka-indicate kung ilang calories. Ang galing. What is that? Nandito na kami sa aming Airbnb. Good night! Say, Mom, good night. Good night. Good night.